of the most common problems from which most web businesses suffer are website visitors don't convert into your customers. And second is your current customers don't end up completing their transaction. SendX widgets are a group of growth tools which help in solving both these problems. We'll talk about subscribe widget, promotion widget, and forms. So let's first talk about subscribe widget. The purpose of subscribe widget is to collect email address and other information of your website visitors. You can find top 4 tabs of design, content, behavior, and success. So let's say the aim of this widget is to collect information from our blog subscribers and then to nurture them with relevant content so that they will eventually convert into customers of SendX. There are various themes which are supported, so you can choose multiple themes. Similarly, as a marketer, you have full control over the position and the animation with which the widget should appear. We will embed this widget on SendX.io itself, and let's call it blog widget. There are various other options like changing the color, changing the text, changing the header background, and others. So this provides you complete customizability over the look and feel of the widget. You can even change the content of the widget. Say, let's name it SendX blog subscribers. The most important thing about widgets is the control which you have over its behavior. So you can decide to show this widget to your blog subscribers when they are entering the website or based on exit intent, which means when the user is about to leave the website, this widget will be shown. You can also trigger this widget based on the scroll percentage, because generally having scrolled 60 or 70% of your page shows higher engagement, which is a good time to ask your users to give their email address. You can also target your users based on time which they have spent on your website. SendX widgets provide you a lower level control over the frequency at which these widgets are being shown. If you're showing widgets on every page view, then it may be very irritating for your website visitors. So you have control whether you want to show them on every new browser session or after a specified time interval, which may be in days or months or hours. You also can decide to never show a widget to a user who has subscribed successfully. You also have control over the page which a user sees once he has subscribed successfully. You can decide to redirect him to a custom landing page. You can decide to close the widget after a specified time. Let's create a subscribe widget. Once you have created a subscribe widget, you'll be able to see the graph of the impressions which have been shown to your users and number of users who ended up subscribing. Beneath which you can also see a single line of JavaScript code. So in order to start using subscribe widget, only this single line of JavaScript code needs to be embedded in your code.